Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to clear YouTube search history. So I'll be showing you how to do this both on PC and on your phone. So first thing is on our PC. So first thing you want to do here is you want to go to youtube.com and log into your account. So once you've logged in, this is the default UI that you'll see here on YouTube. So first thing is you want to click on the three bar icon at the top left of the screen, and you should be able to see this panel here. So what you're looking for is the history section. So just click on it and you'll be redirected to your history. So if you just want to delete a specific history on your account, you just want to click on the X that will appear on the video if you've hovered over it. So for example, this one, just click on the X and that will automatically be removed from your account. Now, if you want to delete all of your watch history, just click on the clear all watch history. It's going to ask you if you really want to clear your history, and just click on clear watch history, and that's going to basically clear all of your history. And now to do this on your phone, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to actually log in and open up your YouTube application. Now from here, the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on your profile at the top right of your screen. And now from here, you want to go to settings. And now from settings, you want to go to manage all history. And from here, you want to select the account where you want to delete your history. So I'm just going to choose this one. And from here, you'll see all of the history that you have on your account when you scroll down. As you can see, these are all the videos that I recently watched. So if you want to delete that specific history, just click on the X that you see at the top right and it's going to be deleted. So if you want to, if anything appears, just click on got it. So here, if you want to delete all of your history for YouTube, just click on the delete at the very top that's next to the magnifying glass here. Just click on it, and from here you could choose the deletion. So if you want to delete today, delete all time, or delete custom range. So if you want to use delete custom range, for example, you want to delete all the videos before that specific date and after that specific date, you could basically just choose it here. But if you want to delete it all, just choose the section that says delete all item, and from here it's going to ask you that if you really want to delete it, just click on delete. And yeah, so that's how you delete all of your data or your YouTube search history if you want to clear it up and hide a few things that you watch here on YouTube, or you just don't want any other person knowing what you watch on YouTube. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.